Achieving a tight fit can be one of the biggest challenges in installing a convertible car seat. With the Super Cinch latch tightener, it's really quite simple. First, open both side storage compartments to remove the latch connectors. Slide the latch strap to the correct belt path. Then close the side storage compartment doors. Extend the Super Cinch completely to the full length. Clip both latch connectors to the vehicle seat lower anchors. Identify the latch connector with the pull first tag sewn into it and pull the loose end, removing all the slack from the latch belt. Next, locate the Super Cinch latch strap with the pull second tag sewn to it. Pull the belt towards the ground until the seat is firmly secured in the vehicle seat. Pulling the belt in any direction is okay, depending on the limitations of your car. Grasping at the belt path, you should not be able to move the seat front to back or side to side more than 1 inch.